brake there.
T3, mate. See you later, brother. Been in my life.
Mate, this geezer is sick.
Hello everybody, from a lovely sunny day here at the Nürburgring. Very beautiful day to do an easy lap with a F80 M3 with a bit of more horsepower. To be precise, sometimes 700, sometimes when it's running methanol injection. Right now a bit less, but still should be some fun.
Well, how would you like it, Misha? Do you want traction off? MDM?
I think we'll go for MDM at the beginning, okay, because we're on cold tires, and then later I switch it off.
Yeah, so basically M1 will be MDM and M2 is traction off, Sports Plus, Sports Steering and manual. Alright,
so tell us a bit more about the car.
The car's, I've had the car for about 4 years. Started off as just a family car.
Still is, back seats are there.
Still is a family car, but I think this will be the last time it will be, after obviously going out in one of these track prepped ones. But yeah, it's basically, it's been tuned by a guy and set up by a guy, Tom Wrigley, in the UK. It's actually a stage 3 running hybrid turbos, methanol injection, built engine. Today it's probably on this map, I think it's about 580 wheel.
Okay.
Yeah, ceramic brakes, endless pads, Ohlins, road and track coilovers, all stock bushes, stock arms.
I can hear the turbo whistle.
Yeah, stock bushes, stock arms, straight through exhaust, 5-inch, with an M Performance back box basically. And yeah, that's it. Like to know how you feel. Love to know your feedback. Obviously, I'm a big fan.
Thanks so much. Yeah, I'm excited to see.
I think you're a great guy, mate. I love your channel. I think the education out of it as well is phenomenal, because I've learnt a lot from you and I've never even met you.
Thank you. Well, I'll try to. That's exactly what I'm trying to achieve. Yeah, to educate, but also entertain people, and
entertainment is.
Hopefully we're gonna have some fun on the lap today as well.
Every time, Misha. Your channel's great, mate. Well, obviously you know that yourself.
Thanks.
So yeah, as we say in the UK, I'm gassed.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm really gassed. This is the highlight of the whole 5 years I've been coming here.
Wow. Well, I hope to meet those expectations.
Oh, mate, listen. Like I said, just to be in the passenger seat with you driving my car is, for me, phenomenal. So, you know, I've been watching your channel for years, and to actually be here now with you, yeah.
sandy here.
This is my favourite part.
Spill. There.
a touring car driver took me out, world champion.
Oh my God.
He's only
mate.
done 7 laps, but Misha, I have never ever, I didn't even know this car was capable of doing that.
Mate, you can drive, bro.
Wow,
Fuck
bro.
me.
You are on another level. Everyone, if you don't know this man, go on YouTube, put in his channel, Misha. Trust me,
This guy
you
can
will
drive.
not be disappointed. Wow, I couldn't even take everything in because it was just...
Oh my God.
It's nice.
What
I
do
like
you
the
think?
car. My biggest concern was with these high power builds
Yep.
that they are undrivable because
Yeah.
the power delivery is too much,
Too much.
too fast, or the suspension is just
Yeah.
being somewhere on the background. But this was not as bad as I expected. It was quite good. I
Okay.
mean, of course, it can be better with decent setup
Yeah.
for the track. Because the car does bounce a lot.
A lot.
Like we were like really flying sideways at some point.
Yeah,
But,
yeah, it held it.
It was it's quite okay. Like I'm really not disappointed. It was lots of fun, most importantly, you know.
Thank you very much.
It was very cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for trusting me with this baby.
No problem. No problem at all. Thank you for taking it out and
Thank you.
giving me a time of my life.
Yeah, nice.
Hopefully, if you don't mind, when I come back next year, it should be a bit more. Well, it will be more track prepped.
Nice. Yeah, I would love to.
So yeah, you can give me your feedback then as well.
Cool.
Okay, brilliant.
Just need to find a parking spot now, but it was fun.
Wow, Misha, man.
When I went out with that other guy and I thought, yeah.
Yeah, no, that's.
No, when I just went out with you, I thought,
This is.
what?
I can't.
No disrespect to Chris, but fuck me.
Not at another level.
Closed.
Misha can.
Ah, oh, I'm glad you liked it.
I loved it, mate.
I love that.
I loved it.
We passed that GT3 I got on video, I thought,
Wow.
imagine if it
It's
was two of you.
the bit that shocks me is the way you drove this car around there
Yeah.
in its form at the moment, with just like stock setup, you know, all the suspensions.
I mean, there's a lots of safety margin because I don't know the car. I know
Yes.
like it's not perfectly set up for the track in terms of
no.
that. So, that's just a shitty path. I'll go to the overflow car park, and then
wherever you like.
because there is obviously no spots and they won't let us stop here somewhere.
Yeah, no problem.